Welcome back to Sports Fanatics. Here I am with two big balls. These are basketballs. This sport is usually played with one ball, but two makes it a lot better. We're going to be moving on to another sport that's played with balls. Softball. These balls are a lot smaller, but they tend to get a lot dirtier, if you know what I mean. Football. This sport is played with a longer ball, which is really much fun. Look how fun I'm having right here. But if you add basketballs, this is a lot more fun. Haha, see? See? So, we're moving on to soccer balls. These balls are for smaller children. See? For girls and for boys. You can squeeze them either way. Canoeing. Fun for the whole family. Look how much fun I'm having. Trust me.